Welcome back my YouTube channel Old Car Stories, where every ride from the past has a tale worth telling. Today we journey back to the golden age of chrome, tail fins, and pure American pride on wheels, as we explore the legacy of this car, 1957 Pontiac Star Chief. A car that stood as a symbol of mid-century confidence and elegance. The 1957 Star Chief wasn't just another car on the road. It was a proud expression of Pontiac's vision to blend performance with luxury. When it first rolled off the line, it represented more than a model update. It marked a bolder design direction for the brand and helped set Pontiac apart in a highly competitive post-war auto market. Under the hood, the Star Chief featured a powerful V8 engine. Pontiac called it the Strato-Streak V8, and in 1957, it came standard with a 347 cubic inch displacement. Depending on the setup, it could produce anywhere between 227 and 290 horsepower, thanks to various carburetor configurations, including the coveted tri-power setup, 3 two-barrel carburetors that gave the car an extra punch. This performance made the Star Chief a real cruiser, capable of both smooth highway driving and swift acceleration. But it wasn't all about speed. Pontiac engineers were focused on delivering a balanced driving experience. Combined with a hydromatic automatic transmission, the ride was as easy as it was powerful, appealing to drivers who wanted comfort without sacrificing strength on the outside. The 1957 model received a distinctive new look. It embraced the era's fascination with chrome, showcasing a bold grille, twin headlamps, and sparkling trim lines that extended along the sides. The Star Chief's long, sweeping body gave it a commanding road presence, while the tail fins and sculpted rear lights captured the spirit of jet-age design. The iconic silver streaks, those signature chrome lines on the hood that had defined Pontiac's styling for years, were retired in 1957, making this Star Chief the first of a new visual generation. It was a significant change that signaled Pontiac's evolution toward more modern styling while still retaining its unique identity. Inside, the Star Chief was just as impressive. The cabin was designed with luxury and space in mind. High-quality upholstery, detailed dash layouts, and advanced features for the time, like power steering, power brakes, and an optional in-dash clock, made it feel upscale. Even the rear seat passengers enjoyed ample legroom, a sign of the car's full-size ambition. One of the most memorable aspects of the Star Chief was its Bonneville trim package, introduced in late 1957. This version came fully loaded and offered fuel injection, a rarity in American cars at the time. Only 630 Bonnevilles were made that year, making them highly collectible today. Though technically a Star Chief variant, the Bonneville soon evolved into its own model line. The Star Chief was also a favorite for families who wanted something more than just a utility car. It was stylish, spacious, and dependable, a car you could proudly park in your driveway. Pontiac marketed it as a premium option without the Cadillac price tag, and it hit that balance beautifully. In the American culture of the 1950s, the automobile had become more than transportation. It was identity, freedom, and status. The 1957 Pontiac Star Chief captured that perfectly. Its size, its shine, and its smooth ride represented everything people dreamed of in the booming post-war years. While Chevrolet was busy appealing to the youth with the Bel Air, Pontiac was carving its niche slightly above, more refined, a bit more sophisticated, yet still accessible. It wasn't just a car, it was a statement of style and progress. The Star Chief's presence in movies, parades, and even police departments helped cement its place in history. It wasn't unusual to see one leading a local festival or parked proudly outside a suburban home with white wall tires gleaming in the sun. Today, collectors and restorers still admire the Star Chief for its design integrity and engineering quality. It's a car that turns heads not just for its size and shine, but for the story it tells about America in the 1950s, a time of optimism, ambition, and bold designs. Restoring a 1957 Star Chief can be a labor of love. Parts are available, but original trim pieces, interior fabrics, and working components like the tri-power carburetors can be tricky to find. Still, for those who take on the challenge, the result is rewarding, a rolling piece of American history. Many vintage car shows still welcome Star Chiefs with admiration. Their long wheelbase and intricate details make them stand out in any classic car lineup. Owners take pride in maintaining every detail, from the dashboard bezels to the gleaming chrome bumpers. What makes the Star Chief special isn't just its features or performance, it's the feeling it gives. Whether you're behind the wheel or simply admiring it at a show, the car has a way of taking you back to a time when craftsmanship mattered and design was bold. The 1957 Pontiac Star Chief remains a true American classic. It's more than just metal and mechanics. It's a reminder of how cars once carried not just people, but dreams. A time when every mile felt like a story waiting to be told. Thanks for joining us today on Old Car Stories. If you enjoyed this trip back in time, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with fellow classic car lovers. Until next time, keep those engines running and those stories alive.